Hi there. Now we're going to talk about how to make continuous kombucha. This is something that I moved on to after first sort of doing it with the batch method and learning that way. The batch method works great and some people prefer it, other people prefer the continuous. I personally prefer the continuous because, as it sort of says on the tin, you make it in one of these, you've got your tap and you just draw off when you want. Either put it into a bottle and put it in your fridge, or just draw off from the thing into a glass and drink as you go. It makes it, for me, a little bit easier, a little bit less time consuming. The important thing with the continuous method is patience at the beginning and setting the base. If you get the base right, you're going to be fine. And by the base, effectively what I mean is, when you first prepare your tub, what you're looking to do is you're looking to get about a quarter of the tub ready before you start topping it up. Go with the instructions we give you, but effectively what you do, you get your tub, you get your sugar as per the instructions, pour that in, your tea as per the instructions, put that in, and you boil your kettles to top it up. Effectively what you want to be doing is you want to be creating a base element. That's the key word really. When you boil the kettle, pour the water in, get your base level and basically leave it to cool. Give it a stir so all the sugar gets stirred in, so there's no more of that. Then leave it to cool. Once it's cooled, take the tea bags out. You've got your 2 scobies that we give you with the juice. Put the scobies and the juice into the tub, then put your little hat on, tie it up and wait. Now effectively, I think that with some people the temptation is that they just want to get it all the way to the top, off we go, happy days. But that's not the way to do it. What you want is your base level. So the entry level that we give you the instructions for, do that and then leave it. You want to leave it for about 10 to 12 days. It might take longer, it might take less. It varies on heat, various things like that, and it's very easy to check because you can literally just take your glass, draw some off at the tap and see how it tastes. But what you're looking for is to get a good strong base of kombucha ready there. You want it to be at least quite tangy and quite acidic to the taste, vinegary. It doesn't have to be really extreme in that respect, but you definitely want to have recognised that the kombucha is made and that what you have there is the kombucha drink. The reason why this is important is because you're introducing your scobies into the tea. The scobies are then going to make the kombucha for you in that level you've given them. They will handle that workload, they will prepare the area. Then you can start topping up. So after about 10 to 12, 14 days, however long it's taken for you to get to that point, you can draw off, say, a litre from your tap, bottle that, start to drink that, and then you start topping it up. You can top it up in like 2 litre batches if I was you. So you add 2 litres as per the instructions. Sugar, tea goes with that. Basically,